Good afternoon folks, my name is Jacqueline from Pure Nutrition. Today we're going to look at a nice comfort food that has a bit of nutrition to it as well. We're going to be making banana bread. So we'll start first of all with the ingredients that we're going to be using. We will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 2 eggs, 120 grams of butter, 2 bananas. Now here I have the darkened bananas, which are much sweeter than the yellow banana. So if you have some bananas that look like they're about to go off, that is the perfect time to make your banana bread. 140 grams of sugar. I have mixed some coconut sugar with white sugar here for this actual recipe, but if you have ordinary sugar, that's fine. 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm using hemp milk here, which is naturally high in plant-based proteins and essential fatty acids. 100 grams of nuts. I'm using here Brazil nuts and cashew nuts, and they're packed with protein, fiber, essential fats, minerals and vitamins. And 100 grams of dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants, which can have a positive effect on our health, but with any type of chocolate, it is best taken in moderation. We're now going to prepare our dark chocolate and we're going to chop it into small pieces. Here we have our nut mixture. We're going to take 25 grams of the nut mixture and we're going to put it to one side. So that is actually going to be a topping for the breads, and the rest of the chopped nuts is going to go into the mixture. Now we have all the ingredients ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on our oven to gas mark 5. We are then going to get our baking bowl and we're going to start with putting our butter in along with our sugar, and we're going to get a wooden spoon and we're going to mix this together. To the butter and sugar mixture, we're going to add our 75 grams of nuts. To the butter and sugar mixture with the nuts, we're now going to add the chocolate. We're now going to prepare the bananas. Mash the bananas down. So here we have now our lovely bananas mixed together to a nice creamy consistency, high in fibre, vitamins and rich in antioxidants. So whilst we're making a nice sweet treat, we're also adding good nutrients in there. To this we are now going to add our 2 beaten eggs, our 2 tablespoons of milk, and we are going to mix this in together. We are now going to add the egg, banana and milk mixture to the sugar and chocolate and nuts and butter. And you want to mix that through. Now the final ingredients to add to the bowl will be the flour, and we shall gradually fold this flour into the mixture. You now have your mixture to this consistency with all the flour in, ready to put into your baking tins. Now we have our 2 tins prepared. They're buttered and the grease paper lined with them, overlapping. And you now put your mixture divided equally into the 2 tins. So we have our cake tins filled, distributed evenly, and now we're going to spread some of the nuts on top of each loaf evenly. Here we have our 2 banana breads ready to be put into the oven at gas mark 5 or fan assisted 160, and we're going to put them in for around 45 minutes. Okay folks, now the breads have been in the oven for 45 minutes, so we're going to lift them out of the oven. Oh, they look delicious. The kitchen smells wonderful as well. Remember to turn off your oven. Now we're going to skewer them So a knife or a wee fork. And when they come out to dry, that means that the breads are ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let them sit for 10 minutes for them to settle in the tins. Okay, set them out. So we're gently taking the paper off and we're very gently lifting it off the greaseproof paper onto the wire tray, where we're going to let it cool for around 15 minutes before we actually slice it. Okay, so we've let the cake settle now for around 15 minutes and it's now ready to be sliced. So here we have this lovely, delicious, nutritious, gorgeous cake where you will see the lovely bits of chocolate melting in through and the nuts in through it. So we're going to cut off a piece and you can serve it as a little snack like this on its own with a nice cuppa, or you can serve it with my favourite, some coconut ice cream and your favourite cup of tea.
Pure Nutrition is available for online video and phone consultations during these challenging times. Appointments can be made via email, Facebook or phone. Thank you.